Hi, I'm Tom from Dignity Lifts Toilet Lifts. Sitting up on a high toilet seat can cause you to lose circulation in your legs, and that can cause pins and needles. Pins and needles can result in some falls, so you don't want to try to stand up when your legs are numb. So let's talk about some techniques you can use to restore feeling in your legs. It's all about blood circulation. You get pins and needles when there isn't enough blood flow to the nerves in your legs. So things like squatting down real far, or even pinching the leg under here from the seat are going to cause a lack of circulation. So we want to move around and loosen up those legs so that we can get blood flowing down to the nerves. So one technique you can do is, let's call it the rock and rub. Maybe you can lean to one side, put a hand out if you have a handrail, or just one hand on the bowl, and just rub down here in the area that has been pinched. Try to get the blood flowing. Rock to the other side, rub here. That's one good technique. Another technique is to do heel raises. So you're just raising your heels to get these, get your legs moving. Toe raises with a straight leg help. Anything to get the blood flowing. Think of yourself in an aerobics class in the 80s and you'll get the feeling. You can move forward or backward on the toilet to try to get just a different position, different blood flowing through those legs. So you want feeling in your legs so that when you stand up, you'll be more stable and less prone to fall. Raised toilet seats can really do the number on you with that way, especially if you're shorter, because it has your legs dangling and that pinches the leg even more. A good solution to these type of problems is a toilet lift, and that's what my company makes. It's an electric device that goes over your toilet and raises and lowers for you. It will lower you all the way down and then raise you slowly up so that you can have feeling back in your legs. So we're Dignity Lifts. You can find our products at dignitylifts.com.